Hi everyone, here's how you can use the structure panel to reorganize the indicators on your chart. So I've got a price chart here of the technology sector with a show view underneath that's calculating the percentage change since the low on March 23rd. Below that we've got a relative index comparison line, and the third one is the RSI. But let's say you want to change the order of those indicators. We can do that by opening the structure panel on the right hand side. That's the little arrow halfway up the price scale. That will open that panel, and you can see all the tools listed on the right hand side. So each panel is in its own view. So the top view is the price chart, which contains a couple of layers, and then we've got the second view is the show view, then the relative, then the RSI. And we can click and drag the view in the structure panel. So I'm going to move the RSI above the relative. I'm just going to click and drag that just above that other view, and you can see now the RSI has switched positions. And we can even drag it all the way above the price chart, so you can have the RSI at the top of the screen. Now, another thing with structure panels is you can temporarily hide indicators from the chart. So if you want to publish or print a chart and you don't want to show all the analysis, you can just click the eye icon next to the view and you'll see that it temporarily disappears. So it's not deleted, so you don't have to reapply. You just have to unhide via the structure panel, and then you can roll that panel away. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.